Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you need to change your bank account on Etsy. It's doable at some point, so if you use Etsy payments, your bank info must be accurate to receive deposits. All we're gonna do for today is go and check how to update and verify your bank account for Etsy payments in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So first and first, I'm gonna go through the website. You can use the app, whatsoever, it's totally doable, it's the same steps. So right now, Etsy.com, tap on the link, it will take you automatically to their main website. Then we're gonna go and log in to our account. So we can access this shop manager section. So when you access this shop manager section, you will be able to see multiple options. Pick finances, then select payment settings, enter bank details, click update, then enter your new account number, then confirm your details. Complete any required identity verification such as send them basically your ID, sending them like basically your photos as well. It depends. After confirming all of them details, you should save the changes. For like bonus tips, double check account and routing numbers. Etsy may temporarily pause deposits after the updates is totally normal. Always use a bank account in your legal name. Not your friends, not your sister, not your brother, your own legal name. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.